Hey everyone, we're going to show you today how to use advanced analytics. To do this, we use an application called SmarterStats. This application allows you to track the who, what, and how traffic aspects of your website. This data is vital for not only your website, but also for your business. And you'll see why later on. So, to get started, head over to the domain menu of the website you wish to manage and select Statistics. Now, by default, this feature is not enabled. But to do so, simply select the Enable option under Advanced Statistics, and then you'll see an option that looks like this. To continue, select View Stats. Now you'll be sent to the SmarterStats login window, where all you have to do is type in the password. This password is usually the same password you use to log into your control panel. Great, we'll maximize this just so we can get a better view. Now, note the following. If your stats have not previously been enabled, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours for the application to parse and render all the data. If more than 24 hours have gone by and you're still not seeing any data, like we see here, then contact support@applati.net. This application is extremely intuitive to use. You simply navigate from the left-hand side, and the right-hand side displays all your data. Now, the minute you log in, you're going to see an overview report of your website. The application is showing us the views and visits, the actual bandwidth usage, the top pages, and the top referrers. And if we scroll down slightly, you can see traffic from search engines as well as top search phrases. Now, I want to go over some of the reports that I find to be very useful. So, if we scroll back up to the top and head over to Standard Reports, we can just drill down and we'll select the Webmaster Report. The Webmaster Report allows us to see what browsers our users are currently using to get to our website. In addition to that, we can see the versions of those browsers and the platform they're using, whether it's Windows, Mac OS X, or simply Linux. What I think is one of the best analytics is the 404 page not found, as this gives me an insight to what pages are broken in my website. On top of that, I can also see what pages are throwing errors. I can see that this page has been giving me some problems. Okay, with that being said, we're going to head back up to the top, and we're going to select Marketing Report. From a marketing standpoint, this report is great because it tells me how users are getting to me. Not only how are they getting to me, but who are they using to get to me. For example, you can see here, based on the search engine breakdown, then Google sends me most of the traffic. But not only that, it also tells me what people are actually searching for in those search engines to get to me. After that, you can see what the referring sites are. For example, Google is my top referring site, and then after that, forums.iis.net sends me the most traffic. And I can also see what my entry pages are. My home page is the page with the most visits. My feed is second, and this particular page is then third. And more importantly, exit pages. Exit pages is also a great report because it might tell you there's something wrong with a particular page, and that's why your users are always leaving through that one page. Well, I hope this gives you an overall insight of how powerful analytics is.